Hello, I'm Vache and welcome to Extech How To. Today we're going to be talking about multimeters. A multimeter is a handy tool that aids you in various types of electrical measurements. Most multimeters typically measure voltage, current, and resistance. I've got with me the Extech EX470. To get started, just turn the meter on and plug your test leads into your input jacks. If you plug it into the wrong input jack, you get a nice little warning. So plug it right in. All right, we're ready to go. So now we're going to go outside and check the voltage on my bike battery. All right, let's walk over to my hog. Ah, there it is. All right, so here we are. The battery is actually underneath the mat here. We'll just lift it up, and there is the battery. It's pretty easy. You just turn the meter on, take the test leads, touch them to the battery contacts, and looks like a reading of around 12.5. It's a 12-volt battery, so that looks like I'm good. I'm all set, ready to go. Hit the road.